my dinos, it's so great to see all your faces again this week. Did you know that we get to see water in 3 different states? And that's special. We experience water in all 3 states: solid ice, liquid water, and gas water vapor. That's actually pretty cool. While all substances can be solid, liquid, or gas, a lot of them only changes in states at extreme temperatures. You probably don't see liquid silver or solid oxygen very much because their melting points and freezing points are at temperatures that would kill us. Oh man, that's dangerous. Okay dinos, get your worksheets ready and let's do this together. First, let's write our names. I chose orange to write my name. What color did you choose? Oh man, I love that color. Now let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it again. Color the animal according to the number codes. So 1 is green, 2 is red, and 3 is yellow. So where it says 1, it's on the alligator's head, and it says green. So let's grab our green crayon. The alligator is to the right if you need any help. Do you want to know some interesting facts about alligators, dinos? Well, alligators have been living on Earth for millions of years and are sometimes described as living fossils. Isn't that awesome? There are 2 different species of alligator, the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. I didn't know alligators are Chinese. Another fun fact about alligators is that the alligator eggs become male or female depending on the temperature. Male in warmer temperatures and female in cooler temperatures. Isn't that awesome? Now for the arms, it says 1 green. So let's color the arms green. And the legs. Hey dinos, now do you want to hear an alligator joke? Okay, what do you call an alligator in a vest? Give up? An investigator! Okay, dinos, here's another joke. What is the alligator's favorite drink? Gatorade. The next color is 2. It says red, and it's where the mouth is. So let's grab our red crayon and color the mouth red. You dinos are doing such a great job. Now what's left is the tummy and the tail, and this is 3. Yellow. So let's grab the yellow crayon and color in the 3s. Now all that's left is the spikes on the tails, so let's color them yellow. Whoa, dinos, check out that alligator. It's amazing. You guys are so great at coloring with numbers. I can't wait to see you next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!